How to buy Lightning Fast Gains token. See, this token came under the symbol of LFG. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rolls on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 3 hours ago. It's very new token and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token trends in number 4 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy LFG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.